What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to fund your Bybit account. I'm going to show you 3 methods of doing this, so make sure to stay with me to the end, and if you do get value, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Ping that bell icon so you will always be notified when I make new videos on how to make money trading and investing in cryptocurrency. So let's go. The first step is follow the link down below to sign up for a Bybit account, and you could get a sign-up bonus. So the 3 methods I'm going to be showing you on how to deposit money on your Bybit account are: number 1 is by USDT transfer on-chain, and number 2 is through P2P trading on Bybit, and number 3 is through cash deposit. Awesome, right? So let's go there. The first method, on-chain deposit of USDT. So what you have to do is to go ahead and click on assets. All right, so when you click on assets, of course you must have signed up and verified your account before you can do this. So you come over here and select deposit, right? So when you select deposit, you can now choose deposit crypto, right? So let's select deposit crypto, and then you choose the crypto you want to deposit. In this case, go ahead and choose USDT, right? This is in case you have USDT on your Trust Wallet or on Binance account or any other exchange. So you can do this if this is the method. In case this is not the method you're looking for, I'm going to show you the remaining 2 methods. So you can actually skip ahead of this one to get to the one you are looking for, right? So let's go ahead and select the network which we're going to be making deposit with. In case you want to make a deposit, you want to deposit money on your Bybit account without any fee, then if you follow this method, you're going to be spending a little fee. Make sure you don't select TRC20 because you will pay $1 fee. So click on this arrow to select BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain or BNB Smart Chain network. Then go ahead and copy the address. This is your BEP20 address on Bybit. So you copy it, then go to Binance if you have USDT on Binance. But if you do not have, if it is on Trust Wallet and you do not have BEP20 or BEP20 USDT on Trust Wallet, make sure to copy TRC20 network if that's what you have on Trust Wallet, right? So I have USDT on Binance. I've copied BEP20 or BEP20 and it is available on Binance. So let's go to Binance now and click on wallet again. Of course, if you do not have a Binance account, also follow the link down below to create an account. So click on wallet and then select withdraw, right? Then choose the coin or crypto you want to withdraw, in this case USDT. Then select send via crypto network. Then click on this long, press it to paste the address that you've copied on Bybit, which is BEP20 address. Then come over here and select the BEP20, which is this one. You see that we're going to spend $0.29 for this, unlike the USD TRC20 network, which you would have spent $1, right? Awesome. So make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new. So click on this and then you come down below and choose the amount of money you want to deposit on Bybit. In this case, let me go ahead and deposit $51. Then click on withdraw, right? Then verify, confirm, and that's all. So this is processing, and within 5 minutes it's going to arrive on Bybit. All right, I've just been notified in less than 5 minutes that it has arrived. So click on wallet again now to view, refresh. Okay, you can see you have one deposit. Just click on this. You can see that it's pending confirmation. In 5 minutes, it will be confirmed in the blockchain. You can see that it's just $0.29 that was charged for this. Awesome. This is succeeded. So this is just the first method of making a deposit, or how to deposit money on Bybit. So if you're interested in the second method, which is through P2P, then let me go ahead and show you, and this can work for any country of the world, right? So if you want to make a deposit through P2P, all you have to do is to come over here and click on more. In case you've not liked this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Then click on P2P trading. and you will have access to this P2P page. In case you are new, all you need to do is to go ahead and add payment method. Meanwhile, you just want to buy, right? So you go ahead and choose the person you want to trade with. Come over here and select the country of your choice or your country's currency. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll go ahead and click NGN, which is for Nigeria. Just go ahead and select your own country's currency, and you will see those who are P2P traders in your country. You just buy from them. You send them your country's fiat currency and they send you USDT. All right. So, but there are things you have to pay attention to. Go with those who have 90% and above completion rate, which you can see over here, and those who have more trades that they've completed, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and buy from this person. The rate is currently 962 and he has bank transfer. So go ahead and click on this. Then you can now choose the amount of crypto that you want to buy, either in USDT or in NGN. So let me say I want to spend 50,000 naira to, okay, it must be within the range the person is willing to trade, and this is going to be with zero fee. The value is below the lower limit, which is 20,000 naira. Okay, so let me go ahead and put 20,000 naira here, right? So if you want to do this, then you see that you're going to get 20.77 USDT currently. So if I go ahead and click on buy, this trade will be opened and I will see this person's account number, and I'll copy it and go to my mobile app and make a deposit of 20,000 naira into his account and come back here and click on confirmed or transferred. And so it's very, very simple. I'm not going to do it live now because I've actually made a deposit, but it is very, very simple. Just click on buy, copy the account number you see here, go to your mobile app, send the money into the account number, come back here and make sure you select transferred, notify seller, right? So that the seller will be notified and he will go ahead and approve it when he has seen the money in his account. And after approving it over here, the USDT will reflect in your Bybit account automatically. This is very, very simple, right? So I believe you learned this. Make sure you smash the like button if you are yet to do so. Now, the third method through which you can deposit money in your Bybit account is through fiat deposit. This is more like what we just discussed now, but there are two methods here. Either you make a P2P transfer directly or you go with Advcash. Now click on fiat deposit and you can now choose how much you want to deposit, and then you choose your payment method. Currently, there is no longer wire transfer. Before it was for US Bank, but it has been suspended. So currently it is Advcash that you can make a deposit with. And all of these we've been talking about are all for free except the first one, which you'll be charged 0.3. And of course, that's the easiest and fastest method, right? So come over here, choose the amount you want to deposit. For instance, 50,000 naira. Minimum is 10 USD. Okay, minimum. That's because of my verification level. So I can make a deposit of 5,000 USD. In case you are in a country that supports Advcash, just come over here, put the amount of USD you want to deposit, then come over here and agree to the terms, then click on continue. Currently, this is not allowed in my country. So if I click on continue, you will see what will be displayed here. So you see our services are not supported in this region. So if it is supported in your own region, then if you have access to Advcash wallet, then you go ahead and follow the prompt and make a deposit on your Bybit account. But among all of these three methods, I believe the first one is the easiest. But if you do not have crypto before now, then P2P deposit is definitely the best method for you, especially if you are in Nigeria. So I believe you got value watching this video. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to be showing you simple ways to make money on Bybit. There are several strategies I've employed to make money on Bybit, and you can do this even as a complete beginner. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, ping that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I make these videos. With this, I will catch you in the next video. In case you want to know how to deposit money also in your Trust wallet, then click on the video showing on the screen right now and I will see you over there.